friend Monica Wihangi here with Close to My Heart. And boy, oh boy, do I have something truly special to show you today. We are going to be celebrating National Scrapbooking Day in a huge way, so much so that we have to do 2 days to celebrate this incredible day. Of course, we have 5 gorgeous projects that we want to show you, and we're going to be doing a Facebook Live on May 5th and May 6th to teach you how to create these gorgeous projects. Now, before I show you the projects, let me show you each collection. We have 5 bundles that are available. Of course, you can buy them each individually, but if you buy all 5 together, you get 30% off. 30% is a huge discount. It's amazing. Once you see all these projects, you are going to love them and you're going to want them all. So remember, the key is to get that big discount, 5 bundles. Let's start with the first bundle. It's called Change of Scenery. So let me bring that in. Here we go. Here is the gorgeous Change of Scenery. You can see this collection is gorgeous. We love it. I'm going to show you each of these individually here as well. So here we have all of these beautiful pattern papers. Look at how gorgeous these are. So you can see there's fronts and backs to those. So that's the complimentary front and back. Here you have these two, front and back. Again, some gorgeous textures, some fun zip strips here. This one is a fan favorite, right? Look at the beautiful options you have in this collection. We know this one's going to be selling out. It is so beautiful. Change of Scenery is the name of this bundle, and then you get all of these cardstock options as well as White Daisy, because you're going to be creating 3 12 by 12 spreads for this collection in particular. So I'll show you that artwork as well. And you get this exclusive stamp set as part of this collection called Change of Scenery. You've got some fun sentiments here. Let me show you under the close-up this stamp set. You've got Worth the Pause, Nature, this view, Change of Scenery. Some views are worth every step. And then this one says Slowing Down has its perks. Isn't that just gorgeous? So fun for all your fun outdoor adventures. Let's take a look at the artwork for this one in particular. So I'm going to move this out of the way and bring in the projects that we have here. So you can see. So you're going to do 3 12 by 12 spreads. Look at how beautiful it is when it comes together. So you can see our go here. Some views are worth every step. Go do. Again, you get the die cuts. Look at this fun tree border here. Now let's take a look at the next page. So here's the next 2-page layout. Again, using some fun techniques, and we'll walk you through every single project over those 2 days, May 5th and May 6th. We start on May 5th at 2 p.m. Mountain Time and May 6th at 11 a.m. Mountain Time. Oh my, look at that border down here. These pages are stunning. Lots of fun techniques. Now, throughout the month, this month, or the month of April actually, we're going to be showcasing these in separate Facebook Lives and really talking through the different techniques that we'll be doing throughout these pages. All right, so that is the Change of Scenery bundle. Next up, I have this right here. Let me bring that in. Wow. Let me just move these off to the side. So again, a fun collection that we've put together of some of our past favorites, but now in one collection. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at this collection. This right here is also going to be creating 3 12 by 12 scrapbook layouts. Beautiful. We have our exclusive stamp set, and let me just show you, we have also an exclusive accessory pack that comes with, it's the thin red acrylic, and then this fun little sticker sheet here that looks like faux wood. So cute, and there's some fun designs in that. So you've got this from the Fresh Paint Bulk. Here is another option here. We've got the Candid Moments. These two are from Candid Moments. There's the front and back of that one. And then we have the front and back. So I think I'm missing actually one of them. I don't know. But you've got this back side of, nope, just one. You just get one of the fresh paint bowl. All right. So here we've got the Cherish bowl, the Candid Moments, and then one of the fresh paint. And then, wow, look at this beautiful, beautiful collection of cardstock. So I bet you can't wait to see what those layouts look like. So let's go ahead. Actually, I'm going to show you the stamp set. Let's show you the stamp set first. So you've got this right here, some fun little icons. Look at this little faux washi tape here. You've got beautiful collection of fun things to add easily to your scrapbook pages. Too cute, time, memory, the best, beyond special, remember the good. Wow, so fun. All right, now let's take a look at those layouts. So let me go ahead and push that off to the side. We'll bring in our 12 by 12 spreads. Look at this one. Here is the one featuring the Cherish collection. This right here is everything, right? So beautiful. Now our next set of pages here with the Candid Moments. Look at how fun this is. Love, love, love what we've done with the stamping here. Look at these fun accessories, embellishments. So great. And then we've got this one here. We've got the best moment. Again, those exclusive accessories. Fun way to see fresh paint come to life. I love the way that this is featured. Great usage of cardstock. And of course, we've got some stamping as well. All right, so that is this right here. Now, our next one is called Endless Summer. Let me bring that one right in, that collection. Here we go. Look at how great. This is going to make a 6 by 8 album. 6 by 8 album, so great. Again, you've got a gorgeous exclusive stamp set, which I'll be showing in a second. And then here is that beautiful mix-in paper that we'll be using for the 6 by 8 album. You do get your page protectors, and then you also get this exclusive little embellishment pack right here. You can see some fun shapes in there. So here is a sneak peek to our July-August mix-in paper packet. So gorgeous. So you're getting a little sneak of some fun papers and patterns that's going to be in our July-August catalog. So again, here's the back side of those. Here's the front side. Look at that gingham pattern. Look how gorgeous. We've got some stripes. We've also got this gorgeous paper. Love the color combos of these. Really beautiful. And again, you're getting a sneak peek of a future mix-in paper pack coming this summer. So beautiful. And then you've got your cardstock and your White Daisy pack. So that's this collection, this bundle. Remember, you can buy all these individually. If one really speaks to you, you can do that. But if you want to get them all at a great discount, 30% off, you buy them all together. So here's our 6 by 8 album. This is a beautiful summer collection. Hello, sunshine. You can see, look how fun. Lots of fun little interactive pocket type things happening here. Again, we'll walk you through putting it all together, cutting it, assembling all of it. And it's so much fun. If you've ever been to one of our Facebook Live events, so much fun and you learn so much. Now, if you can't join us exactly on those days at that exact time, you can catch the replay on Facebook as well. So you get to have a Facebook replay anytime you'd like. So look at these gorgeous pages. So beautiful with the stamping there as well. Oh, I didn't show you the stamp set. I've got to show you that. So you can see fun little sunshine there. And then you've got, look at that, create your own. Oh, so beautiful. This is our 6 by 8 album. We put it into our beautiful album there. Let me show you the stamp set before we move on to the next collection. Here is this one. So you can see the sun can have many different types of faces. You can have no face. They're all separate stamps. So these little closed eyes with lashes, these more sunny, happy eyes, the smile or no smile at all. But you can also get it as a full image there that you don't have to color in. You just stamp it solid. And it says, be the sunshine. The sun will rise again, shine bright, so much, create your own endless sunshine. So lots of variety, lots of fun mixing. This is a great, great stamp set. Okay, the next collection that I have to show you is called Friendly Borders. Let me bring that one in. Oh, this one went to this right here collection. It slipped off. Sorry about that. But here we have the Friendly Borders collection. Again, look at these beautiful papers, you guys. This is also another amazing, fun sneak peek to a collection that is coming to you soon, but you can only get it right now with this special in this way. So fun, so many beautiful options here. And here we're going to be making cards. So we've got some really fun borders that I'm going to be showing you here in the stamp set. And then you've got some fun little, oh my goodness, gems, I think is what we call those. No, clear sparkle. No. Oh my goodness, what are they called? Sparkles. Sparkles. Yes, I don't know why. I just escaped me, and I've been using these for like 20 years. So before I show you the stamp set, let me show you this gorgeous collection. Look at this marble painted look of paper. Isn't that so pretty? And then on the back side is just a single tone. We've printed these patterns, we printed these papers. Beautiful, gorgeous collection. So you can see they even have different styles of patterns, and it's all got that beautiful marbled look. I mean, do you love this paper? I love it. So pretty in this variance of colors. You can see here, and behind everyone you can see that's the color of the paper on the back side, so without the pattern. But you're going to want to use all the pattern because it's so pretty. And again, some fun variants even in the patterns of those papers. You also get a gorgeous silver 12 by 12 glitter cardstock and then a white daisy cardstock. Let's go ahead and take a look at the cards for the stamp set first, then the cards. Here is the stamp set. It's the border stamp set. You can see right here, tweet birthday wishes. A little birdie told me it was your birthday, hoping everything is good in your new hood. Oh, so cute, with the little houses. And then you've got new beginnings, new memories, new home. Lots of love coming your way. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then a flower border, heart border, house border, bird border. So darling, you're gonna just flip over these cards. So here we have our first card. It is a Slimline card, and you can see it's all about moving in, right? New beginnings, new memories, new home, your new home. Then you've got a little birdie told me it was your birthday. So darling. We'll make these cards with you, and you get to make 2 of each design in that workshop. Lots of love coming your way. So pretty. Thank you, thank you, thank you with our flower border here, the silver glitter paper. Again, we'll walk through cutting down all of these cards and then stamping, coloring, and assembling. And we'll give you lots of tips and tricks on these cards. Aren't they so pretty? And again, you get to make 2 of each. That's what you'll have in your bundle for this workshop. So great. Okay. Oh, are you just loving it? We have one more collection to show you. And they are so cute. This is the Strawberry Mice. Let me bring that in. So here is the Strawberry Mice collection. So great. Cardstock based, gorgeous, exclusive stamp set. You've also got some exclusive, fun little embellishments as well. Some fun little hearts. And we're going to make more cards. So I know it's National Scrapbooking Day, but guess what? We're doing cards, mini albums, 12 by 12 pages. We do all the things. So here's your cardstock collection. Now remember, our cardstock is two-toned, so you get the lights and the darks on one paper, which is so fun, and then you also get the white daisy. Let's take a look at our darling, darling little mice. They're so cute. So here you have wishing you a very happy birthday. Hello, friend. Miss you. Thanks a bunch, thinking of you, and then lots of fun little mice all over. Look at the mouse coming out of the little strawberry box. And then, of course, your strawberry icons. You've got some little leaves and flowers to help with the embellishment. So let's take a look at the cards. You're going to love them. And again, you get to make 2 of each in this bundle. This one's thanks a bunch. Look at that fun technique. Telling you, lots of technique driven in this artwork. We've got wishing you a very happy birthday. So fun coloring. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Look at this fun splattering technique, some fun coloring, and then of course the mice are just too cute. And then we've got hello friend. Look at this long gorgeous slimline card. So, oops, here we go. I'm spinning cards around. You're going to have 4 card options in this one, and then you're going to be able to make 2 of each card. So fun. All right, those are all the bundles. Do you love it? I hope you do, because we are so excited about our National Scrapbooking Day special. Now, if you want to find more information about each special, you can go to your Makers Close to My Heart website, go under promotions and click on NSD. So we shorten it, NSD special, and that's going to show you all of the bundles. Now, this is our special thing that we're going to do for 2 days, May 5th, May 6th. May 5th at 2 p.m. Mountain Time, May 6th at 11 a.m. If you want to go through every project together and learn techniques and have fun and laugh with us and enjoy just a crafty time together as we celebrate National Scrapbooking Day, we totally encourage you to join us. We have an event on Facebook. If you go onto Facebook and look up NSD, mark that you're going so we know you're coming. We'd love to know. Now, if you're watching this any other way, like YouTube or anything like that, we are so excited about what we have to offer. Make sure that you find your Close to My Heart maker, and if you don't have a maker, we can help you find one at closetomyheart.com. Again, this is the NSD special, and we have 5 bundles. You can purchase them all individually, or if you buy them all together, you get 30% off. We cannot wait to create with you on National Scrapbooking Days. See you later. Bye, everyone.